Hello, in this video we are going to check out top 5 best folding electric bike under $1,000. We made this list based on my personal opinion that's the result of research for our. We ranked the products based on their quality, specification and all other important facts. We have tried to select them from various price range, so you can easily find the best product for you. You will also find product links in the description. You can check everything about the products through the links. Number 5. Brand name, Richbit. Dual front and rear suspension, the riding experience more comfortable. Multi-function smart LCD display for comprehensive recording of cycling data. It also has power-assisted gear adjustment, motor power and battery display. Electric folding bikes can range up to 50 kilometers. 3-wheel models, computer control and torque sensor, electric rotating handle, pedal assist, only pedal with LG batteries. Frame and battery, easy to hold and release. Easy to work on your way on the road in the city and weekend off-road and varied environments. Just on a small space, your car, truck, subway. Number 4. Brand name, Adu. The Adu Z20 folding electric bike is equipped with a 350-watt high-efficiency brushless motor. Shimano 7-speed transmission system plus Shimano 310 rear derailleur change the riding transmission by adjusting the size of the fluted disc, bringing a sense of smart and agile control. Electric bike using aluminum alloy 6061 lightweight frames. The HD LCD is convenient to control. It can monitor data in real time. 3 gears switch to 3 riding modes. It can display clearly in sunlight, as the brain of a bike. The electric bike is trifold, and can be easily put into the trunk. It can be carried in and out of the elevator, and stored as you like, showing the static mechanical art. Sensitive and durable front and rear dual disc brakes give you a feel of sensitive operation. The braking force is easy to control and flexible to navigate the climbing road. Number 3. Brand name, Winnis. The 26-inch non-slip wear resistant wheels and height adjustable seat and front make riding easy and comfortable. The powerful 36-volt or 350-watt motor provides the best performance under pneumatic tires, adapting to more bumps, no pressure 25 degrees climb. Double hand brakes ensure your safety, thick and durable tires, 7-speed control, double shock absorption. It can even be folded so you can easily put it in the trunk of your car. It is easier to use than ordinary folding, and the folding installation speed is fast. And the whole process takes only 3 steps. Anti-skid anti-vibration tires, wear-resistant anti-skid tread and high-quality shock absorber to help you unimpeded. The battery pack is the core of the electric bicycle. It uses an advanced 8-all lithium-ion battery pack. Excellent battery life is not afraid of high load and durability. With LED headlight, suitable for safe cycling at night, 7-speed shifter. Good operation feel, responsive. The large capacity battery can be fully charged in 4 to 6 hours, enough to meet the needs of daily commuting. Electric bicycle has 3 riding modes, fitness mode, power assist mode, and pure electric mode. Number 2. Brand name, Zangbu. 16-inch explosion-proof tubeless tire, 5 layers of protection, outer layer thickness up to 7 mm, more suitable for all kinds of roads and people. Motor power off braking, front and rear disc brake discs for auxiliary braking. Make the brakes timely and stable to ensure the safety of the driver. Graphene battery cell lithium battery. Graphene is added to the battery core, cold and frost resistance, longer battery life. Can charge mobile phone, making travel more convenient. 3 riding modes, folding storage. Number 1. Brand name, Fido. 250 watt powerful motor offers a fast speed of up to 25 km per hour. 3 modes: pure electric mode, cycling mode, power assist mode. The Fido D11's modular design has a 36-volt 11.6 ampere-hour removable battery which allows for longer distance to be traveled. Adjustable seat height and handlebar height suit different riders. Shimano 7-speed gear with 3 adjustable levels in moped mode endows Fido D11 with sports attributes, assisting every rider in finding their personalized riding style. Remaining the shape of the conventional bike, but adding 2 additional electric modes. Shimano 7-speed gear with 3 adjustable levels in moped mode endows Fido D11 with sports attributes, assisting every rider in finding their personalized riding style. The integrated seat post contains both the battery and taillight to minimize the parts and maximize the efficiencies. Hidden in the 20-inch rear wheel is the 250-watt brushless gear motor, which boasts compact size and lightweight to provide greater torque for climbing slopes with lower energy consumption. The aesthetics of the electric bicycle is unique. It perfects the balance between the form and the functions. Aluminum alloy construction for extreme durability. Efficient disc brake in both front and rear wheels for safer braking and riding. Super bright LED headlight and rear light for added safety at night. Collapsible for easy storage and transport. Ideal for urban, commuting, short trip, shopping and daily use. It's fine in the flats, but the small Zhongde rear hub motor really struggles against minor hills and even moderate winds. Features like folding pedals or locking mechanisms that hold the handlebar and frame tightly together are missing on the D11, making it unwieldy to trolley or carry one-handed when collapsed. The D11 has a messy, exposed chain and derailleur that require more maintenance than the simple belt drives found on higher-end electrics. The taillight is on while the bike is charging, and again, it's quite bright, so it can be annoying in dark spaces.